Hi ladies and gentlemen, I'm Garrett Rizzi with Seco Manufacturing, here to tell you about our 5114-60 ATV pole transporter. It's an important thing to note at this point that we do not recommend operating this vehicle on a public road with the pole transporter attached. Please keep your own safety and the safety of others in mind at all times. There will be some tools required, and they are a 1/2-inch wrench for a 5/16 inch hex bolt, 1/2-inch wrench or ratchet for a 5/16 inch hex nylock nut, 9/16 inch wrench for a 3/8 inch hex bolt, 3/16 inch hex key for the 5/16 inch button head screws on the pole clamp. The ATV pole transporter is designed to attach to the luggage rack on an ATV. To install the ATV pole transporter, position the supports on the luggage rack. Position the hooks so that they wrap around the luggage rack bars. Tighten the bolts to hold the vertical supports in place. Position the horizontal bar and the vertical supports and clamp into place. The next step is to install the vertical pole transporter bar. The pole transporter is supplied with 2 quick release pins as well as 2 bolts for attaching the ATV bracket. The 2 supplied bolts will clamp down on the pole transporter and prevent excessive movement. Use this attachment method for installations that are more permanent or to prevent excessive movement. To adjust the angle of the pole transporter, loosen the 2 nylock nuts and pivot the pole transporter to the desired position. These bolts allow a plus or minus 5-degree adjustment. Retighten the nylock nuts when you've found your desired position. Please bear in mind, the pole clamp comes from Seco adjusted for a 1 1/4 inch outer diameter pole. To clamp tightly onto a 1-inch pole diameter, move the 2 button head screws located on the clamp to the forward holes. The ATV pole transporter is designed for several different configurations, including to the left or to the right of the vehicle, as well as to the front of the ATV. That's our video on the 5114-60 ATV pole transporter. Thank you for watching.